Right. So Shakil, what we learned so far in thermal. What's the first formula we learned? Heat energy, which is EH, is equal to MC, change in temperature. Come set, Nathan, have a seat please. Have a seat please, Nathan. Yes? So, Kivan, what is EH? What that represent? Heat energy, nice. M represents what, Adonis? Mass. Isaiah, what does this represent? Change in temperature, nice. So, if the change in temperature. Yeah, but I'll go back to change in temperature. Yeah, right, and the C is specific heat capacity. Yeah, and this formula is to find what? Heat energy. Yeah, so you have to memorize this one first, yeah? What was the second formula? We define mass. And what was the formula for mass?
Heat energy divided by capacity times change temperature.
Yeah? Yeah, and I'm writing this back again, right? You just have this one time. We know which one it is. What's the other formula we learned? The what?
Change temperature.
Change in temperature. And that formula was?
Heat energy mass times
Yeah, heat energy divided by specific heat capacity. And the last one that we did was defined, which is heat energy mass by change in temperature, right? So for most questions, they end it with this is to find temperature. I'm writing a different color for you, right? Right, the heading is what you find it, right? So this one was defined heat energy. This one here was defined mass, and this one was defined what? Change in temperature. And this one was defined so you'll have to be able to memorize these, right? Notice something, right? All of them is basically the same, right? You're just switching out the letters. So when you have instead of mass being here, we have specific heat capacity and change in temperature. Here now, we don't have any change in temperature, just mass and heat capacity, right? So you can see a little bit of a pattern there, right? Yeah? Right, so just put thermal summary. Thermal summary. Yeah, and then you can take down this, yeah, say memorizing this. Yeah, Jay. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, please memorize this. And then we're gonna start something new today, right? Actually, try one. No, I have a quiz. Oh, you all wanted to see those who tried. I wanted to see their grades. You get actually no. If who want that time to take it open until Saturday, right? I'll close it Saturday and you'll see your grade. Yeah.
No, we can't see today.
No, I'll be there. If I tell you grade 9, you'll get full mark. You want to go back and read. Yeah.
So if I stop this go back.
Yeah, I got something. Then you'll individualize it. But go try it again. I remember I taken your highest mark. So you could try it 100 times if you want. I will take your highest grade. Well, that's please look back in your notes. Any questions? This is exactly what we're doing, class.
So you're someone was right now.
Yeah, and what? I just taken your highest grade. I taken your highest mark.
So if I want if you went from 30 degrees, right, and you want a certain temperature,
and water.
Yeah, you have to get so you reach how much heat energy.
Yes.
How much heat energy?
That's why I'm saying 1 month at a time.
That's how much heat energy you need. And
Usually goes from there.
okay, got it.
Yeah.
Correct.
The only thing with that one, yeah, I'm going to get temperature change the temperature. City,
Or 30 degrees.
yeah, so how much ever, let's say, yeah. And then you help with that whole one. Yeah, should you.
I'll be correct.
Yeah, dude. But no. Yeah, as we go more advanced, then it will
Squeezy.
eventually.
Okay, son.
You're finished, right? No, that's okay. Right, this is what's here. You're memorizing these formulas. Yeah. You all ever did momentum before? Momentum is it when you have a collision, right? You gotta do it now.
No, I remember in old school we had to do this. And then when the car hit something, then it's decibels.
No, that's not.
Something. Yeah, that's decibels. Something.
No, it's that momentum when they collide with each other.
Yeah,
That's the momentum when
no,
you pass.
which
The unit that's kilograms meter per second.
if we do, we have to take who we get least amount.
Yeah. Something like that.
I think we just.
Yeah. No, very kind of. It's kind of like a still, right? When body here is a force from body, so it's the equal and opposite force. Yeah. You get demonstration just now. You get them.
I don't know.
Demonstration in your crash class?
So when they in front of the car, like you want to stop that, and it falls less. Like
Not really the speed and the mass that you work out come after.
yeah, that one we had to do and yeah, so I feel like I did keep and pull this up like this. So I get it's gonna bounce.
Okay. Okay, you know you're still right then. Nice. 2 you still right. Yeah. Okay, you this part there, number 1. Yeah. Oh, wait, I have all the formulas here. I follow the questions. Nadine. Okay, you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 4, so okay, you use 2 and 3, right?
Yeah.
Right? So you can have momentum. You do the next momentum.
Paling somebody join.
Yeah, I know. Momentum, head of the right side. Head of momentum. Yeah, no, there's a new topic we got started this. So we completed 2 more, we went to start momentum, right? Huh? Right?
Sobre classe civil. Sobre classe civil.
Huh?
I think one.
Yeah. They opposite same already did. I don't have to do it through my Zoom. Huh? Yeah, everybody finish right? You had a momentum.
Yes.
I'll call the notes and then I'll explain it, right? Who want the crash? I'll let Ada and Chicky do the
Yeah.
demonstration for it, right? Okay, we'll see how we do it and then you try it. Sit, write this and then you do the demonstration, right? Yes. Right. We'll head up momentum. Yeah.
600.
Chicky. I don't know, see, correct, I say the wrong one. Right, ready?
Yeah.
So, right, then momentum is defined momentum is defined as the product of an object's mass and velocity. Right? And you write in this. So momentum, right? The formula for momentum is represented by the letter P. Yeah? So momentum is represented by the letter P. And momentum is mass multiplied by velocity. Yeah? Just now, let me finish now and then you're right. Right? We're doing momentum. Yeah? So momentum is the letter P and we have mass by velocity. So P is momentum. M is mass. What's the unit for mass? Kilograms, good. And what's the unit for velocity? Yeah. Yeah. That's why I say per second. Once you say per second, that's it. Yeah? So our unit for momentum is kilograms. Yeah?
So momentum equals.
Mass by velocity. Yeah, go quick now. Go quick. Yeah, correct it down. Sorry, I forgot to say correct it down. Yeah.
You know what in minus one and the bottom this side.
So what? So we have a rule, right? Well, when you do it now, when you do further math, right? It's called this an indice, right? So what's the formula there for so velocity is distance over
So
time.
there's a unit you're putting after you find it.
There's the unit you put when you finish finding it.
Yeah.
Kilogram. Yeah.
If anybody minus one, you get it wrong.
Yeah. What? Let me show you, right? So this what's the unit you use for distance? Well, meters, right? Meters. Right? What's the unit is used for time?
Time seconds.
Second, right? So it has this imaginary one on top here, yeah? Whenever you have a division sign and you want to move it on top, yeah? You get a negative sign. So the one remains there, but this becomes negative one. Yeah? This called these indices. Indices, yeah?
Oh, I didn't say MBCT.
Indices. Yeah? Right, but you learn more about that. In Form 3, we do that now. You can write this down.
Usually form 3 master.
Sometimes.
This is gonna be trouble too.
Then it depends on how my timetable work out. Yeah? Right, you'll finish, right? So what just, right? Momentum is the alright, so look up. Right? Yeah, right? So stand up on that side here. Stand up on this side here, right? So we have the both of them, right? I draw any both of them here. No, yeah, this professional, don't worry.
So drawing that big minute,
Right?
right?
This is right, switch side, I draw you on there, right? Right? And a big belly, is it?
Yes.
Mass.
Right? Right. So this is Shaquille and this is Aaron, yeah? How much is weight, Aaron? Right, let's say he is 120. Let's say he's about 30 kilograms. Yeah? How much is 141? Yeah, good.
Yeah, I see.
Right, let's say it's about 40 kilograms, yeah? Right? Let's say, right, we're going to find the velocity of both of them, yeah? Say both of them run, who run faster? Well,
I'm showing you my check.
so Eden running this way, yeah? And Eden running this way. Yeah? And let's say he running at 2 meters per second. Yeah? And Shakir running at 1 meter per second. Did you say it slow? Yeah? So the first thing we have to be able to calculate, right, is the momentum of A dot. How are we doing that? No. Right, so we have this. So A dot 1, we find in momentum is mass by velocity. A dot mass is what? 30, and his velocity is what? 2. 60 kilograms meters per second. That's clear? Look at here. Right? So here's what I can do. Find Shaquille what's it our find it? And then we do it. Well, let's go and do it. Right, they don't want to do it. We have to do something. One more thing before they crash. Yeah? Draw it. Just leave speed like draw it on one side of the page, right? And leave like here some more. Yeah?
So after doing the video.
Yeah, draw it. Yeah? So leave like this part of the page open, please. We're not finished with this. We start in here. Right. Come, we get that. Yeah. And right, it's yeah, that's the communication. Yeah. So, what's the momentum of Shaquille?
One thing.
So it's mass by velocity. Shaquille mass is 40 and his velocity is 1. No. They didn't even know. Yeah? Right. Yeah? So here's what I want everybody. Just underneath this, you're going to write something, right? Here's what we learned today, right? We learned about momentum and the law of linear momentum, yeah? Linear momentum. No, don't write this. I'm just gonna show you all this, right? What the law of linear momentum states is that the total momentum before they collide. So these two momentums before they collide equal to the momentum when they collide. So this is before they collide, right?
It's going to be 16 and minus 14.
6 plus. Well, I'll get to that now, right? So the momentum before. Yeah? The momentum before is equal to the momentum after. Yeah? Yes? Oh, you can see it? Right here, you can see it? After, yeah? But you're the right says here, right? Just do one favor. Just change this arrow both to this way now.
So,
Just 1 hour, that's 1
I
hour.
don't do it.
Yeah?
So I can just show you.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Just scratch your arrow. I'm going to go that way. Just scratch your arrow. Just scratch your arrow. Please go that way. No, just change the arrow to this.
I still be mommy.
Yeah?
It has a little mommy.
Yeah? So the law of linear momentum states that the momentum before the collision is equal to the momentum after the collision, right? So, sorry? You never what? We're going to see that now. This is before. This is before they collide. We find the momentum before they collide. Yeah? So the law states that this momentum is equal to this one. Yeah? So what's the momentum after collision?
So it will be 100 kilograms.
Yeah? The 60 plus the 40. Yeah? That will be the momentum after collision. You want to change this arrow more? Yeah? Alright, let's take this, leave some space on this right side of your page, right? And then you're taking this down. You leave space off.
So take no.
No, go right on this side. Right below it. Right just below it. Below it. You're right, then just below the diagram. Below it. It's not a problem. I wanted to draw something else there. You go and draw the collision on that side. Yeah, that's good, that's good. That's important, right? The law of conservation, the law of conservation, you want to spell it?
Yeah.
Alright, then it down here.
What's it just the law?
Of conservation. Conservation.
So what? I did.
Yeah, man, I watch it anyway. But you know what that's
Right,
That's fine.
right? The law of conservation of linear momentum. Yeah. Right, right. Oh, you can check the buffer and go. It did.
What's the deal? I don't be over one me.
Oh, yeah, see it. You link on your parents' shop, you get it, click it.
Oh.
Yeah.
If I click on your camera shop, right? And I go and watch the video. Oh, you see me too?
No, I just you gonna.
That's all you see.
No, that, right? That is linked to YouTube. I just given you the link to YouTube. Yeah? No, yeah, you can like see, no, I mean like you can view how many people like who see the YouTube. Like I can't say who see the YouTube. Like, who see the like I can see how to use it. But you can see yourself, yeah.
So, I was like,
Yeah.
Who would I go?
So as soon as you get the link, just go on the link and you
we're gonna take out
on YouTube.
man, please put it on the other
What? Now let's pull this up. It includes system, right? Last one is Steve, right? Right,
Your last one was being a momentum.
right. So right, then it's in a closed system.
Full stop.
Yeah, full stop. In a closed system. In a closed system. Closed system. Yes, closed, like closed, like open, closed.
Yeah, like door closed.
The total momentum before collision, before collision
So, yeah, it's on switch pages, one line into.
No, no.
Sheets. Okay.
is equal,
How long
is equal to the momentum of the collision.
No, we go before collision. Yeah, the total momentum before collision equal.
But the total momentum after collision. Yeah? Right, a little bit, right? A little bit.
Yeah.
Huh? The total momentum after collision is equal to the total momentum before collision. The total momentum after collision. Yeah, right, so watch. Turn this way, no. This way, right. Stand up like this, side to side, right? So watch this, right? Are you watching this, right? Come around a little bit now, yeah, let's take it in, no, you stay so, right? So, wait, who had the bigger momentum here? No, Aaron, right? So, which way you think they're going? If both of them one color, should they?
They're going this.
They went this way, yeah? Yeah? Right? No, but according to this, yeah? They going that way, right? So we know that they're right there, you want collide, right? What is? So they gonna cut. collide number, right? Boom. Right? So we know the moment, what's their momentum after now? Go around now, visible.
100.
What's their momentum after?
100.
100, right? So, I'm gonna draw them back here. When they collide so good.
Why don't you bring it on like that?
Why one eye? So why one eye?
Okay.
That's not- What's that?
Right? So, and then they, oh, they went shoulder to shoulder.
Yes, sir. I don't know. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, what's that one? Yeah.
What's that? Time to break it, boy.
Right? This is when they collide, right?
Oh, son, maybe even why? Sir, do they not see?
Right. So what this? Go to the side, right? Which way they going? To my right? Alright, this way, right? And what is total momentum? Wait, is the momentum of, I just say A and S, right? A and S. Is, so the total momentum is the momentum of A plus the momentum of Shaquille. What's the momentum of Aaron? 60. What's the momentum of
40.
40? So the total momentum or the momentum of the crash is 100
kilograms.
meter per second, right? Momentum of crash. Yeah?
So we can do after crash, no?
No. What's it? Are they crash already?
So I'm gonna try it.
What's that? Right?
Yeah.
You're sure you understand so far? Yes? Yeah, they were trying to crash into each other.
Why should we?
Huh? What?
What's the key that's like that?
Oh,
So that's really hard.
that man gets started.
Why do you have one more?
Oh,
You just get-
you have twice momentum.
Okay, thank you.
It's good, guys.
Hey, could I erase it? Thank you.
Secret is all of it.
You finished right or?
Yeah.
Right, and
Oh, I'm very. I'm sorry.
right. I can erase this part here on your right side of the
Yeah.
book. No, I'm just remove it. Right, I'll put one here for you all to try, right?
So, right, so this is not really right, and we had to put the first things.
Yeah, right.
Alright, I can show.
Plenty.
No, but you got to be on your own.
No, I want you all to notice one thing, right? Just give me attention for a second, right? Notice that both of them going in the same direction for now, right? Both of them going in the same direction.
So you still can shoot that.
Yeah, that's how I get it up. But notice both of them are going in the same direction. Yeah, Nathan, right? You see that, right? Both of them going in the same direction, yes? Yeah, one.
So what's the stop with?
This one?
This?
This is P's momentum of crash. Yeah? Right? You'll try this one. I'll drive some cars now, right? I'll truck and a car. So we have a truck here.
What can I cast out before you?
And wherever you want this to be. Got a little door here. Right? And then we have this car.
From Brock. So, well,
But these are new type of car.
Right?
Stop throwing things. No, don't throw it.
You're not alive and
Hey.
You want to teach it.
And this is 20 kilograms. Yeah? Find the momentum if these two crash together. You want to see it through the.
I don't find what's in.
Let me find the video there through it.
So, don't find the momentum. The momentum, and it's just the.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay, so, and Oh, we all see it. You treat it.
You want the soup?
What?
You try it.
Hey, hey, hey. Take one, sit. You can do without it. Scrap everything that I need. That's what I need, a scoop of the.
Yeah. Take two jackets, man, that's
Hey, what is this?
Oh, who traded it?
Nathan,
Yeah.
Later you traded
no, it
it.
was meant to be pen, it was meant to be jackets, so you bet me pen stay jacket.
That is it.
You know, I want that.
I thought you said that.
But what
Fine.
happened?
That's it. I mean,
I'll see.
Oh, you can see that go home.
it's 700 kilograms.
Yeah, now do it for both of them.
Said that's so low the fine.
Well, okay, yeah.
No, no, so I'm fine. 1,000 kilograms.
Meter per second, yeah.
Meters per second.
Andy,
And the car is 700 kilograms meters per second.
so what's the momentum after?
700
Kilograms.
kilograms. So you can see.
Okay, then, let me see.
So the last person.
That's right. Oh, true. It ought to be the best drawing. It will have to be the best drawing. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, banana. Yeah, come on, it's one banana. That's no, banana first. Banana, else no, can say.
I took more than one. So she doesn't go English.
Well, where?
Alright.
That's no. Right, so this is the momentum what? Before, right?
Before, yeah.
And we know the momentum before is equal to what? The momentum after. Yeah? Yeah? So, Nathan, how we finding the momentum after? So how you find momentum, Nathan? Add what?
No, so you don't want after.
What's the formula for momentum?
So,
This one.
No, they don't before the moment, right? Nathan.
Yeah, Nathan, what's the formula for momentum?
Really got everything.
Yeah, Nathan, what is yeah, so what is? And what's M?
You know what?
Right, so we want the momentum on the truck, right? I call it the truck T and the car C. Yeah? Yeah,
Yes.
right? So we have the momentum of the what P represents what?
Momentum.
The yeah. Yeah, this one was looking good. Right? We have the momentum of the truck plus the momentum of the car. Yeah? So, right, yourself, I'm gonna find momentum later. Yeah? What's the formula for momentum? Hold on. Nathan, we give Nathan a chance now. Yeah? You just tell me. There's so many. Right? So, what's M? Right? So, what's the mass? Yeah, what's the mass of the truck? 100, good. What's the velocity of the truck? It's 10, yeah. Plus, we have the mass of the car. Hey, Shakil, watch it. Yeah. mass of the car by the velocity of the car, right? Kivan, what's the mass of the car? That's okay, that means they're turn around and yeah, you didn't have to turn around. Yeah, no, what's the mass of the car? 20, 20, and what's the velocity? 35, yeah? So, 10 by 100 is 1,000, right? And then 20 by 35 is 700, yeah? So we know the momentum before collision is equal to the momentum after collision. So our momentum after collision is kilograms meter
Minus
per second.
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah. Minus. So I will show you, right? Well, we have to go. This ms minus what is the velocity formula, right? Remember, velocity is distance over time. Yeah. What the unit for distance? Meters. And what the c? Yeah. Anything have something called indices, so they have something like powers here. Yeah. So if we move in this, oh sorry, time is seconds, right? If you move it on top, whenever it becomes a minus. Kind of like it, right? Right. Hey, that group there, who's that? Vandana and Adonis. Is the bit talker. I'm gonna is the bit talker there. Please, please. Right. You'll try this one? You can, yeah, make this one.
Yes, so one and I only
Come, you want to come in front, Banana?
pretend.
I see the talker too. Right, so we have two trucks now. We have two trucks. We have truck A. We have truck A. Yeah. There's bandana truck. And then we have Zoom truck. And then we have Zoom truck here. Yeah. Right? And then both of them going in the same direction. Yeah. Isaiah and Adonis.
Yes,
Right? The mass of the truck is of bandana truck is 120 and she driving at a speed of 15 meters per second. Zoe truck is 150 kilograms and she driving at 10 meters per second. Yeah? Finding momentum after they collide. Yes? Finding momentum after they collide. Yeah. Yeah. So what? I love this all right, but watch. You don't have to draw this in the end from up. Yeah, you have to draw it from up. Right? That they crash into each other. You lose marks. So they crash into each other.
Oh, yeah.
And show them what direction they move it in when they crash into each other. Was that the marks, Vandana? That's the marks. Yeah.
So I finished.
Okay. Well, you sit there and wait patiently. Patiently. What about again? Huh?
I see one.
Yeah. That's not I'll follow it. Right? Draw the diagram, draw the crash trauma, right? And show me what direction they're going in. Yeah, draw the crash and show me the direction they're going in. Let's put equal and they're going as. So this is momentum before it equal to the, you can see here, I don't, yeah, momentum after. Yeah? So the momentum after is if both of them collide with each other. So oops, boom. Yeah? Which direction they going? This way, yeah?
They're going right, sir.
Right. Yeah? Yeah? So help me here, you know? How we find the momentum?
So mass.
Mass by velocity. So the mass is, the velocity is, and how much is this?
Kind of names on please.
Kilograms meter per second. Yeah? And then we have to get the momentum after we have to add it. So we added the momentum of the auxiliary truck. So that is what the mass is and the velocity is 10. So that is
2600.
1500.
Oh no.
And then the momentum after is equal to what?
Hey, John, is it?
2300
Two
kilograms.
teaching on this.
33, yeah, sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, sorry. 3300 kilograms.
Yeah.
Everybody good so far?
Yes, sir.
Try this one and then we gotta move on to a different type of activity here.
It's everything, sir.
Make the hard answer.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna make it after this one, I'm gonna make it a little hard.
Why is it?
You mean what you say?
It's not gonna be hard, it's not that-
We talking about what?
it'll be easy too, it'll be easy.
We got hard answer.
Huh? I'll make that one.
So why?
Just for you,
Was.
Whoa.
right, for this car, is a new driver car.
You mean yeah, that's
Oh, man.
Let's check you car.
bad.
Huh? No, okay, now for the three, right, and this is chicken truck.
So why I was I think they want to.
Yeah, a truck, yeah,
Big truck on your road.
and this is Shakir,
Just remember Shaquille. Simple plus Alexander truck.
yeah,
So
right? Shakir driving at 15, let me drive a little fast, 50 meters per second, yeah,
Nah, Shaquille go fast.
and Shakir going at 40 meters per second. Yeah. Right? And Shakir have his truck has a mass of 100
I explained it.
and Shakir car have a mass of 25.
Say can be 23.
Yeah? Find the momentum after they crash into each other. Okay. After, I want the momentum after they crash.
My brain said, that's right.
You do, but then you get 0 marks. You get 0 marks. Yeah. Where? Yeah? 50, yeah. 50. Don't borrow anything, Shakib. Huh? Use it upstairs. Do little multiplication.
You don't even need more. You see the brains.
I done.
Let me see how many marks you'll get it. See how many marks you'll get it. I think done. It's the right.
So you have much to play football against it. I ain't just have acting. I'm not too much to me.
You see, yeah, how much?
I
Oh,
put
yeah, that's not good.
Master, I'm so chuffed with it. They would have done this, right? You don't know.
So you ready diagram? Okay. You're finished?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go this one. No. Isaiah. I'm going this one. Yeah, okay, I'll give you a minute. Thank you. I'll give you a minute. Thank you. Yes, ready diagram. No, but yeah, like this, I'm sure I'm colliding. Wait.
So what do you think this?
No. You get that, I do here.
That's.
The full mark you get it. And look, I go sleep on this one. Yeah.
Saan ba?
Go get a mom.
So Rebecca, which one call more?
He did. You study him. Yeah.
Yes, you check, no view. It's 5,000. Oh, my God, the zero.
Oh, this is.
That's zero.
She said that.
Right.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But it's fun.
You understand that? That's for a calculator, that's for a calculator. Yeah? You get that?
I forget to see it.
Oh, I look. What?
Right? Isaiah, what's the formula for momentum? So this is what? Before, after collision. This is before, good job. Right? Ideally, because both of them going this way, we should draw the accident on this side, but I run out of space, right? So I just draw the accident on this side. Yeah? So this is, and both of the trucks going this way?
Yes.
Yeah? We supposed to draw the accident here,
Yeah.
right? Right? Because both of them going this way. Yeah? However, I don't have space, so I just draw it on this side, yeah?
Yeah.
For now. Yeah? So, right Isaiah. So how is finding momentum of Shakir? Momentum is P, right?
So speed.
Yes? So don't study him. You know anything, Isaiah. Come through. Right. Wait. Let me do it step by step. How is find momentum? What's the formula for momentum? Right? No? Right. P, which is momentum, is equal to mass by velocity. Yeah? M is mass. Hey, stop talking now. Right? Right? M is mass and V is velocity. Yeah? The mass is what? The mass of Shakir. Watch here. The mass of Shakir is what? 25, good job. And what's the velocity of Shakir? 50. Yeah? And if we want the total momentum, right? Both of them going which way? This way, right? So we add the momentum of Shakir, yeah? So how we find momentum again? How we find momentum? Let's help again. Mass by velocity, yeah? What's the mass of the truck? 100. And what's the velocity of the truck? 40, yeah? So here we get 25 by 25 is
6.
yeah?
Plus.
Plus, yeah?
That's not my here. My here.
And the momentum after collision is 1, 2. How much you get for this?
So 5,000.
5,000.
No, 41,000.
5, no? Oh yeah, I put extra 0, my bad.
Oh, yes.
5,250, yeah? And what's the units? What's the
PGMF.
yeah? Right, so, right, so watch this. Are you done these same trucks here, right? Here's not going up one now, right? Right? Eden, he driving this truck, right? No, he driving. Who is? Jada driving this truck now, right? Truck driver, Jada, right? So you all know the highway have two lanes, right? One going down and one coming up. Yeah? Ivan, you know that, right? One way no.
Exactly.
Yeah. Right, just now watch it. Yeah. Right? So you all know that the highway has two lanes, one to go down, technically 4, okay, but one to go down and one to come up. Yeah, no, we take it out, one to go down and one to come up, yeah? Yeah, so Jada driving her truck, right? Jada driving her truck, and she decides to go on the other side of the lane.
Point in
Yeah.
the
Yeah, and she decided to cross the lane and go on the other side. So you have she driving this way, yeah, but all the other cars,
So what?
so Nathan car coming this way now.
I could drive.
Yeah, Nathan could drive.
Which
So Nathan car driving this way here now. So Jada truck coming this way and Nathan going this way. So what's the first thing you all notice about this?
So it's gonna be a lot more.
The truck driver, the truck driver.
Right, so both of them going in
Up direction.
opposite directions, yeah? So wait, now look how we do my plan. Right now, so what you notice about this? That's not funny. What else?
It's smaller.
They go in opposite directions, right? So let's say that the velocity of the truck is 10 meters per second, yeah? And the velocity of,
what's with the car?
that's not gonna give you. The velocity of is 5 meters per second, yeah? And the mass of his car is 20 kilograms, yeah? So, because they're going in opposite directions, yeah, it has to be a negative sign in front of this. Yeah, now we choose the color. Because- No, just now, right? Because they're going in opposite directions, right, Adonis? Yeah. And Isaiah, they go in, they have a negative sign, yeah, a minus sign, yeah? They have a minus sign when they go in opposite directions. No, you have to show that the velocity going in a negative direction, yeah? And the way to show that is by putting a minus sign,
So nobody enjoying your life yet.
right? Yeah, you all understand that, right? So once you go in opposite direction, the smaller one you put in the negative sign. The truck is 100. No, that's it. Yeah, 120, yeah? So, yeah, Hannah, where you want to
Why
know?
don't they go in?
Right, help me here, Hannah. How I find the momentum on the truck? Momentum on the truck? So the moment, tell me what is the formula for momentum first? Right? B. Right? So the mass of the truck is what? 120, you sure about that? Yeah? And what the velocity? Yeah?
Sorry.
So how much is this? Leah. Okay, wait, Leah, help me.
You got kick the tables.
Right?
We break on them.
Right, right, Hannah, now help me with this part. Yeah? What's the momentum of the car? Right? And the mass is? The mass is what? Yeah? By no? By what? -5, yeah? Because they're going in the opposite direction. And that will give us what? -100, right? Right. What everybody watch here, banana, watch here, banana, right? Watch this, right? You all learned this before? If you multiply, right? And positive multiply by negative will give us what? A negative, yeah? Right? A positive. Yeah, it's multiplication happening here, right? And you all know, and what this? Hey, watch this, right? If I have this by, let me say 3x, that's how you all know it, right?
No.
No?
So we there's a number outside the bracket.
Yeah.
Right, no. But you all know, see this, right?
Yeah.
One number understood here. One. Yeah? A 1 understood of this bracket. Yeah? I never see that before in maths?
I see all.
No, so we need number.
But if you have negative here, yeah? A 1 is understood,
Yeah, we
Okay.
take the one, yeah.
yeah? Same thing here. A 1 understood here. Yeah? So positive 1 multiplied by negative 100 will give us what?
1100.
No? Multiply. will give us negative 100. Watch. Positive 1 multiplied by negative 100.
Okay, guys do normally,
Maybe normally.
like 100, like it's 100 people.
No, yeah, to show this. Yeah, to show this.
So,
Sure, you're adding them, but 1 is negative. Yeah?
yeah, but the same thing, and even,
No, but now it might seem so simple, but when we do a little more challenging things, you'll see why it's important. Yeah? Right? So watch it here. If you have positive 1 multiplied by negative 100, a positive multiplied by a negative is a negative, and 1 by 100 is a 100. Yeah? So that's how I get negative 100 here. Yeah? No? I lose anybody?
no.
Right? Good? You very good? So we have 1200 minus 100 will give us 1100 kilograms meter per second. Yeah, don't forget to draw your graph. Wait, which way? Which way did it go in?
And you go right, so it's
It'll go right, right? So the bigger momentum is the one that's pushing it away, yeah? Which one is the bigger momentum here? The 1200 kilograms, the 1200 kilograms meter per second, yeah?
So quick question, why
Yeah.
the minus?
Because they go in the opposite direction.
so why, when,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, alright.
Before we were going in the same direction, yeah? But now we going in opposite
so
direction.
if you do put the minus sign by the meters, per second, in the arrow.
But yeah, you're error. Because then they say now both of them going in the same
No, it's
direction.
not by saying the arrows.
Yeah, no, but still, that momentum will be different. If you, when you add it together, you end up getting 1300 because you show that both of them going in the same direction. If you don't put the minus sign, right? Yeah? Then you're showing that both of them going in the same direction in the calculation.
Oh,
Sure.
so you is wrong. We have to read that.
But just so you can think, right? Because we actually we're lost. You sure? So the always take the smaller one, yeah, and you put the negative sign, yeah, Hannah.
So if
Look.
it would be
What is
the
March?
one next, right, and it's a negative, right, that will. When it
Yeah,
multiplies.
we
with
start
the
over there.
positive,
That's not over it.
Okay, so when both facing this one, right? like,
Yeah,
And is that negative, like what is that negative, like next one is a positive, right?
no, if they're facing the same way, both of them will be positive. Only when they go in opposite directions, the smaller one is negative.
So if, so our question will come with like. One negative and one positive.
Yeah, but then they'll be in opposite directions. No, it can't be. Yeah, if both of them going in the same directions, right? Yeah, that means I had to do something. I'll show you all how it works, right? Because I didn't see it, right? But the maths is going on actually visualizing it, right? But when in the same directions, you just add them together. When it's opposite directions, you use the minus sign, yeah? Your minus sign showing you're going in the opposite direction, yeah? Like if you have a number line, right? I'm going back.
Yeah, 5 minutes, that's so good.
Actually, take this out, right? The thing is here. Yeah? Take this out.
Okay, what's the cool question?
This whole thing. Right? Just put it equals. Oh, you have to see here? After collision. Right? Which way we going? Wait, 1 second. Which way? Who went in this one? The bigger truck, right? So when it hits here, you're pushing away this car. Yeah? Yeah, so they go in that direction, yeah? So what's the east? Well, the right. You're right.
Why you're not playing football?
Huh?
It's
But it's
because.
not cool. We talk about our school done. Right? Everybody good? One move. Yeah, next week we'll get to do something so y'all can see, try and understand why we put a negative sign, yeah? Yeah, you ever sit?
No.
No.
Or after that we can they was using the lab or something.
Yeah.
But we can do this outside, we can do this outside.
We don't catch two cats, that's cool.
We'll craft something, we'll craft something.
I will jump in there.
So when you pack them up there and you max them.
ดูอะไรกันที่เชื่อแล้ว
What's it all that?
วันที่พี่แรกคนเล็กคนใส่นั้นมาสิ
Something what it's doing. It's a daily.
Yeah.
เออ
That long. Yes, we are you. We are you.
Yeah. And yeah, it's supervisor, said supervisor.
it's no it's not
And
that's
you
not
start Jordan,
no
So much you pay.
Huh?
How much you pay?
600 bucks.
your weight
My weight.
yeah you use 145 or something there
Yeah, 145.
yeah I 145 too I see it I see it
Get the guy on
huh pounds how much 100 hour
Let's see if I buy two, like, if I yeah.
that's a little more it's a little different
No, but it'll be like approximately.
yeah approximately
是 iPhone iPhone 6是你没有是呀，现在这种用的是，我没干你懂。
right you're finished right yeah
Yeah.
right take one for homework take आगे बोल यार homework yeah send one question next week you practice some more next week hey if you all do this right you get more time outside to see the collision yeah
Yes.
not outside okay yeah check on the elements first right watch this one and this one going in opposite directions
Yeah. So we might as well not say. 不怎么杀你们。
just change in one thing here right just change this one I change in this here right wait one thing before we move on how we know which direction it's going in
What time was
right so which one have the bigger momentum okay yeah which one has the bigger momentum
Excuse students and teachers, this get ourselves ready, correct? Students can take a minute and pack up your stuff, clean up your classrooms. Make sure you take all the belongings to your lessons this evening.
right, or you can check out the YouTube live